Ladies and gentlemen, today is a great day. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the TIGERKING safe box. This is going to be a digital safe. Forgive the mess in the background. I'm in the middle of my full remodel and I'm super pumped about this. Reason why, I like to safeguard my items. So let's go ahead and get this out of the box. This is a large safe. This is also a heavy safe, and we're going to go through all of the features. So let's get the top on off right there and get this thing out of here. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to use a box cutter. That might be the easiest way to get it on out. They package it super well. Bubble wrap, styrofoam up front. That's a great looking safe. Let's go ahead and get this out of the way, clean it up. Let's take a closer look. All right, inside the big box is gonna have this smaller box, and this is gonna be your accessory box. Inside, we have our battery box right here. We have our user manual, warranty card. We have a set of keys here and a big set of keys right here. We're gonna get into all that. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is a great looking safe. There is a little inspection sticker right here if you want to go ahead and remove that, but I chose the gold and black color. They also have the different black colors, and just like all my videos, in the description box below the video is going to be this exact same safe. Go ahead and read more about it, see what other people are talking about it after the video is finished. They're designing fashionable, secure safes, and fashionable as I mean this looks great, especially for your walk-in closet, wherever you're going to have this stashed. So, how to get in for the first time, directions state all this, but these little flap doors right here open up, and again, gold accents. You're going to take your master key, which you have two of those, put that in. You're going to put that clockwise. This is going to be your emergency keys, and these are going to be your inner door keys, these ones here. You have two of each. Those go in, and you're going to do that counterclockwise for the first time, and then you're going to open it up that way, this way, opening the safe to a gorgeous interior, like super designer. I've never seen a safe like this. I've owned multiple safes. I've seen safes in stores. You have your top box right up here, where you again use your inner key for that one up there, this whole entire top shelf area here. You do have your shelf right here, nice accents. And then your little bag for absorption. They always do that with new products. You have 4 hinges here, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5 down here. That's awesome. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, actually 6. One on the top here as well. And then one on the bottom. That's gonna latch in real beautifully. Right here, you actually have a magnetic light, LED light, and that's gonna be battery powered. And then you have your reset button, of course it says right there, and then your battery compartment right here. That does take 4 AA batteries, and that's gonna be for your digital code on the front as well, being able to power that. Now in the top area up here, let's go ahead and take a look here using your inner key. You have a nice little upper area here as well, passports, cash, watches, whatever you wanna put up there. That flaps shut, that closes. Now inside, I've already taken it out, but here are your bolts to secure it down if you want to do that. And behind these little stickers here are going to be the threads for that there. There's 4 of them, 4 holes total in the back. So it mounts up against the rear here. Or if you wanted to put it in the ground as like a hidden safe in the ground, it would bolt that direction with the face looking at you when you remove the hidden floorboard. Lifting it up, it also has pads on the bottom of the safe here, which is really nice if you were setting that on a closet shelf or something very delicate or whatever, you know, just to prevent scratching or sitting on the floor. Now this is your external battery pack, which plugs in on the bottom of the digital keypad right here. Now there are 2 security modes with this safe. You have the standard security mode, which is once you set it up, just the digital keypad, whatever code you input, and your digital code will open up the safe. Now the maximum security is going to be opening the safe with your key code and the key, the master key. And then that shows you how to close the safe in standard security mode or maximum security mode. They're recommending to use high quality AA batteries as well, especially for the internal portion. And that's showing you how to set up your digital code there. And further setting up your master coding, user coding, etc. You guys can go ahead and pause this if you want and read a little bit more about that. But now let's go over here to alarm settings. So it has 2 alarms. It is a dual alarm system. First, there's 3 continuous wrong entries. The master code or user code will activate the alarm. the alarm will last for 60 seconds until the corrected code is entered. After the alarm has stopped, the warning system is still on. Second is vibrate alarm, and you guys can pause that, and that will tell you about the vibrate alarm. Now, obviously, if you're gonna go with the maximum security feature, definitely don't leave your keys inside of the safe. So let's go ahead and pump this up, set my code up off camera, obviously, and we're gonna talk a little bit more about it. So store the external battery box somewhere safe. That gives you access just in case your batteries on the inside go out on you and become bad. As long as you have the master key, if you set up maximum security, or that will give you access to the panel here. As we can see, let's go ahead and just hit the default, and that will go ahead and unlock it. And then I already have it over that direction, but if it was like that way, and then we just crank it in here. So this is an added security feature. That's the purpose of this external battery box, to give you access to this if your batteries on the inside go bad on you. Great feature. It's all in the directions, but sometimes someone talking about it on video kind of helps a little bit. So if you just want to use standard security mode, just the inputted digital code, and as you can see here, you can still see the numbers, but it does light up blue, kind of blue purplish, and sorry, the sun's coming right through the window. But as you can see, they're really nice and well lit as well. And I think that stays, it stays lit for about maybe 10 seconds, 15 seconds or so. Let me go ahead and remove this just for a second. You also do have a low battery indicator light right here, which is very nice as well. So standard mode, what you're gonna do is after you've entered in your master code, user code, then what you're gonna do here is you're gonna take the master key and click it over to the clockwise position and pull it out. Now your system will go only unlock in the digital code format. Now, if I want a maximum security, I would need this every single time, which is a slight inconvenience, but if you like that feature, definitely nice to have. Now, once again, you wake it up by putting your finger on it. There we go, you can see it a little bit better right now. And then after you're done inputting your code, let me do that off camera, then you hit the pound button there, the unlock little light will illuminate, and now I'll go ahead and unlock it using just the digital keypad there. Like I mentioned, it does have an LED light, which is illuminated very subtly in a pitch black room that might be doing a little bit better of a job. And it looks like that goes out as well after a little bit. If I hit the digital keypad on the exterior portion, looks like it doesn't re-illuminate. So it looks like that's just timed as well, because I'm hitting that and my light has gone out. So anyway, subtle feature, doesn't look like, obviously you would need that lit for a bit more than how long it goes on for, but maybe that's a battery saver. Doesn't say anything else in the directions regarding that light. Let's see if I turn it back that way, and then obviously when I open it back up, okay, I'm gonna unlock it one more time, and the battery will be illuminated one more time. And the wire does pull out, so you can, where it needs to go as long as it doesn't interfere with the hinges. Let's just go live right here with you and see how long it takes to cut out here. We'll go ahead and edit this down a little bit. Yeah, that was about 15 seconds, maximum 20 seconds or so. Let's go ahead and take a look at the locking mechanisms here. Now, obviously, I will have to input my code to be able to close those back in. So now they're in the full lock position, not moving until I put my code back in, but very nice hinges, as we can see here, all the way down. Of course, the one on the bottom I already told you about there. So what is nice is that it gives you a push to wake it up. That does not count. Then you need to input your code, so you don't have to worry about fumble jumble with it. Now the codes can be 1 through 12 digits long, which is really nice for security feature. All right, let's activate the vibrate alarm here. And as you heard a very slight beep when I did activate that, now what's gonna happen is the alarm's gonna go off if the safe is nudged or bumped or something like that. So let's see how sensitive it is. So I can get my camera back here. Wow. That's pretty sensitive. That's pretty cool. There's the sound of the alarm. Let me shut up for a second. Okay, not too loud, but that'd probably wake you up in the middle of the night. Let's go ahead and put my code in so that stops. Okay, it stopped right as I inputted my code. Let's go ahead and lock that one more time. I'm very impressed with the sensitivity of it. I literally bumped it like that and the alarm went off. That's awesome. If that's too sensitive for you, I just noticed there's a piece of plastic over the logo. I'm gonna go ahead and remove because I like it nice and shiny. Sorry, the camera wasn't even in focus. There we go. Beautiful. So I'm trying out the first alarm function of 3 invalid codes. I've already done one. Let me show you what happens when you do it for wrong here. So I'm just gonna do a random code. It'll do that quick triple beep. That means wrong code. So one more wrong code and the alarm should go off, and it did not. Let me see what we got here. Maybe it thought I only did it twice. There we go. Okay. So there goes the same alarm there. And let's go ahead and input that. Okay. Then the alarm stops once you've inputted the proper code. But it actually looks like it was still locked unless I didn't do it quick enough. There we go. I just re-inputted it there. I didn't think I had to, but maybe I let it delay too long. So right as you close it, it's done-ski until you re-enter your code or maximum security. Put your master key in right there. So if you wait too long and that unlock LED light goes out, then you don't have access to it. So you got to do it within that period of time. It's lit. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now, every once in a while, I have noticed I gotta slightly turn it to the left and then crank it to the right. Not sure why that is. No big deal, but sometimes it seems like I have to do that. Overall, we're looking really good. That's a lot of space, by the way, as well. Let me show you my hand. Now, I have huge hands, but fully interior here. Now, obviously, all the dimensions will be on the link in the description box below, but this is their really large safe. They do offer some smaller ones as well. Again, like I mentioned, in different colors. Overall, I'm super pumped. I'm super impressed about it. And I think it looks absolutely stunning with those gold accents. Again, guys, in the description box right below the video, top link is gonna be this safe. You guys can read more about it. But please, just like all my videos, guys, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. But if you have the cash and it intrigues you, go ahead and purchase on away. It gets a thumbs up in my book. Also, speaking of thumbs up, if you wouldn't mind, hit that thumbs up button on your way out. Helps the channel and the YouTube algorithm. Also, subscribe if you like more videos like this, as this 10-acre farmhouse ranch full remodel if you're into DIY videos as well. Thank you again for watching. Check your links out below. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.